Hi everyone! Welcome back to Speak Easy with Imran. I'm asking some simple and interesting questions to strangers to improve our English speaking skills. Let's start! Hello. Excuse me, can I ask you a few questions? Yes, sure. Thank you. What's your name? Hi, my name is Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Hello, I'm from the U.S.
What do you do? Are you a student or working?
I'm a student. I'm working as well. Do you enjoy speaking English?
Yes, I do. Sometimes. I'm learning.
What is the most difficult part of speaking English?
Well, I think grammar pronunciation confidence is difficult.
How do you practice English in your daily life? I watch videos, talk to friends, and use social media. What advice would you give to people who are afraid to speak English?
Probably. They should practice daily and not be afraid of mistakes.
One fun question. If you could visit any country, which country would you choose? I would like to visit the USA.
Thank you so much for your time, Sarah. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. Guys, this is how you can start a simple conversation in English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Easy with Imran. See you in the next video.